Hi everyone, so as part of the Adobe From Me to You project, I'm here to share with you a little piece of like my home. If you also have a piece of your culture or memory to share, don't forget to check out From Me to You. Enter it, send in your video and stand a chance to win exciting prizes. This recipe is for stewed pork beehoon and it's something that my grandmother used to make when she was around. It's so like nostalgic and it's so hearty, and the best thing is it's really quick and easy to make. All of the ingredients are pantry staples and it takes less than like 15 minutes. So let's get started. The ingredients are really straightforward, so I really like the stewed pork from Narcissus brand. And the other thing is beehoon. I'm a lot more lax about this. I'll just get like sort of any brand. I'll try figure out which one I like more. Besides that, we have garlic. I have some pre-chopped already because it's very convenient. And these are the sauces that we're gonna work with. You can just pick a couple to go with. You can add all of them. I like to add all of them. It makes the flavors really complex and it's quite fun, like creating a little sauce cocktail. So let's get started. So this is it. It took me less than 10 minutes and honestly, it smells so good. So I'm gonna do a little taste test. I don't know how to explain it. It's just so hearty and it's so easy and convenient to make and it's really tasty. So this has been lovely. I hope you guys try this out. This was hashtag from me to you. I'm going to have my lunch. Bye!